There it is. I'm live. Alright. And pop out chat. Alright, and I think I'm live. Yep. So I can minimize all that. Put that over there. Put this here. Just make that like that. Alright, and I'm live, I think. So basically I have this meal generator that I made that opens up these text files and gets a random one from each and then strings it together. So like shredded pork with shredded carrots on the side, milk to drink, and popcorn for dessert. I don't know. It's just random things. So you can randomly generate meals. But as you can probably tell, it's not fully working because of those curly brackets everywhere. So that's what I'm going to be trying to fix. So, it's not responding. Python. Okay, it doesn't look like the stop button is working. So I guess I'll also have to fix that. Alright, so I have an idea on how I'm going to do it. So basically what each of these does is it opens up the text file and splits it and makes a list. So basically it makes a list of things. And so it opens up the text file, gets each thing in the file, and gets the list. So if I just do a little print main underscore dish just for debugging. So let's see what it is. Hamburgers, chicken, sausage, shredded pork, shredded beef, fish, twice baked potatoes, hot dogs, pizza, tacos, burritos. So that seems to be working. And I got sausage. So there's no curly brackets around sausage, but there's around with cheesy potatoes on the side. Nothing around kombucha to drink it. So it seems around all the things, all the strings, and then around cheesy potatoes. Applesauce. I'm noticing that these always have a space in it, so I'm going to try to get one that doesn't. Do I have a side dish that doesn't have a space in it? Come on. I've got to. Here, let's print. Let's not print that. Let's go over to side dish, or side meal. I have salad. Alright, let's make salad like salad. Salad. Alright, let's try this again. Taco. Yeah, so it's only around things that have a space in it. So I could add some underscores, or I could try to fix it. Alright, so what I'm thinking of doing to fix it, is anybody watching so far? I have one viewer, which is probably me, even though I'm not even watching it. It just does that sometimes. So the way that I got to work, but because for some reason it wouldn't work, is assigning, so getting all the lists. Can I do this? I don't understand why I can't do that. Like, will that work? No. Can only combine list, not string to list. Well, this is a string. Will this work? Just go through each one. Turn them all into strings. Will that work? Okay. it does work. But now we have those, which I guess is better, maybe, because more consistent, because it's always around. But I really just want nothing, which is an issue. I have an idea. So instead of doing this, here, let's try something. Let's do print main. Let's just do main underscore dish, and let's do an index. So let's do 2. So what will it print? And it will. Okay, so it still has those around it. Is there any way to not have that? Okay, so it always will have. Could I try to do? Hold on. I could. It's equal to. Here, let's just turn this on to a string. Will this work? Can I just turn it all into a string? Will that change anything? Even though it already is a string. No, that doesn't do anything. Here, I'm gonna try something else. So for these two, I can get rid of those 2 lines. Button.bind. Button, I can just do command equals on click. So I can get rid of that. And leave.bind. Command is equal to exit. Or is this in a loop? I don't know. Maybe I could try it because it was like name on click. Oh. Let's just get all this. And put it up here. On click. It's missing event. So I can get rid of that. Okay, so it all works the same. And this still running. Yeah. Well, I don't want it to say that. Can I do break? Oh, yeah, I need. I don't understand. Okay, let's try exit with those. Okay, so it just automatically does it. No, I don't. Alright, I guess this is okay. Click to stop. Okay. Well, I kind of fixed it, but not really. And also, it's not very efficient the way that I'm doing it because it wouldn't work for some reason the other way I was doing it. Still has a few issues. Has a few anybody watching? Yeah, it says one watching. Here, first of all, this kind of looks weird. So let's change this to 50. Height still 4. Let's just get rid of this. There, that looks much better, kind of. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that more. So, hamburgers. Let's look at another thing that I did. So let's go to my Python, finish projects. Yeah, Morse code translator. Because this I pulled from a dictionary, and I didn't have any of that. And the way I did it, Okay, so let's just go out of the loop. Let's just print Morse A. Is that how I would do it? A is not defined. Hello, it is a fellow Hello, expired. I'm trying to get this. It has B. It has been a while. RHV. B. FC. Can't tell if those are acronyms or you're spamming random letters, but okay, yeah, I actually have streamed quite recently, but before I did a couple live streams, I haven't. I completely forgot how this works. Like, I know what it does, but I completely forgot why I. What the heck is going on here? Word index. Where is word a thing? Like the word, so word must be a list. Random letters. Okay, good. Translate. So word is the length. A word, just a word. An index in the word is one of these. Oh, I need to do print Morse A. Okay, so it does that. Now, how could I could implement that, but I would have to I would have to change a lot. Bruh. Hello, Humble Jumbo. So I'd have to change it to a dictionary. Hold on, let's open up something else. Like, 9 lives. Let's see how I did this one. Although this one, wait, yeah, it still has those. That's still a thing. Yeah, it still has, that's not good. What's another thing that uses a list? Random number generator? No. Gallery, Python thing. I don't really use lists. Maybe there's some tests of it. Let's just open test. Okay, that's like one of the first things I copied straight out of a book. This is okay. This is no help. This is like that weird thing. Random. This might have a list. Nope. This is just spamming random letters. What the heck? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I need another. There. Yeah, it just does that. I'm just gonna test all of these. No. Time test. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Why? Extra? First edition clicker. Oh, this is when clicker was just this. I'm gonna add that to clicker. Now. Dodge the... I don't know anything that I could use as reference to figure out how to get... I'm just gonna have to, like, report that. Put user in timeout. Mailgen tests. Anything in here? Yeah, because these are just a big list. Our choice of a list. And it doesn't show up with brackets. No, it doesn't. How did I do it here? It's our choice. Why? I should be able to just do this. Okay, I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna copy it. I'm putting max and timeout. Alright, I guess you can do that. Is this? No, I'm doing it in this one. Alright. So, whoops, I need to be able to see the chat. Alright, since he's not watching anymore, alright, I guess you can do that. Why does it... See, these are just variables. I shouldn't have to do that, though. So I'm just gonna cut that. And I should be able to just... Alright, I'm just gonna cut this in. Alright. Why did I delete that all? Let's get this. And now let's get rid of the print. Alright, let's fix this up. Hold up. Is that how you do it? No. Okay. our choice main dish plus width plus our side dish plus on the side. Okay, plus on the side. Let's then do comma that plus drinks to drink and for dessert. And this is all the correct number of brackets, right? 1, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, that should be right. Can only list, not string to list. Okay. So if I just put string around these, will that work? Or will that add the brackets? No, that has the brackets. Come on. Quality quarantine streams. I'm gonna go get food. Be right back. I haven't eaten yet either. I like just woke up. What are all these? I have opened twice. Alright, let's close it then. Oh, I have opened it a lot. Alright. Oh, this is the wrong one. Let's just close that out. Open this up again. Okay, how's my stream going? I've been live for 22 minutes. Okay. One person watching, but he's not actually watching. So why does it do that? Maybe, instead of putting string around this, I just put string anonymous gamer hello. Hello, anonymous gamer. I have no idea who you are, but I guess that's like kind of the point. I'm back, hello. Alright, so if I put that around that, will that work? Even though these are already strings, maybe it's trying to put that into a list, which is why it's showing an error. I don't know, but I think like that's the whole point. We're not supposed to know. He's anonymous. Anonymous gamer. Can only not string to list. I'm not trying to make it go string to list. I just don't want those little brackets. Yeah, so how I tried to fix this before was I tried fixing this by adding the variables before, but then they had all this curly things. What if I just make everything a string? Wait, these... Hold up. I could... Here, let's just delete all this. Because these are returning stuff. Maybe I just need to do main dish. Ah, but it has to be random. So what if I randomize it inside of these things? So it doesn't return main dish. Let's not do that. So instead, just out of the loop, I go r.choice main underscore dish. And let's do main. I don't know. Let's no underscore. Just these are really bad variable names. Final main dish. Final main dish is equal to that. And this is a string, but I don't want to. I'm your mom. Okay. I doubt that. So let's try this. Let's just do. I'll cut that. Now let's just do main dish. Oh wait, no, we need to return final main dish. So I can get rid of that. Twice big. It has those though. That's not. But it's only around the ones with spaces. This is not what I want. So yeah, because this is like the same thing I was doing before. So what if I do string? What if I make this into a string? Even though it should already be a string. Adds the brackets. Is there any way to not? I don't want that. Maybe let's just not put it into a list. If we don't put it into a list, it can't get those brackets. So I'm just gonna test it without doing any of these other ones. So for line in file, it gets. So how do I make it get a random line? Do I do like R? Do you think you're gonna play Minecraft? Probably not during this live stream. R.choice line in file. Will that work? Hey, let's just comment out all this. Let's just comment all this out. File. Random choice line. Let's do F is equal to that. And let's just print F. So I'll probably get an error, but name line. For okay. Adds it. So let's for line and So I think the best we can do is just put underscores and then not have anything with a space. I think that's the best we can do. Because really, but there's definitely a way to do it. Main dish is not defined. Okay, whatever. Choice main dish. Oh yeah, because I got rid of the main underscore dish as a list. Chicken, tacos, hamburgers, burritos. It's just to contain it so that we know it's one thing. But what if instead I do main underscore dish r dot rand int 0 to length of main underscore dish. Yeah, it still does the same thing. Index out of range. Main dish. -1. My phone just died. That's a oof. Okay, looks like it works now. I don't know. Okay, let's just. Alright, can I go like way back? So I guess. Okay, I have an idea. I'm not sure if it will work though. Or if it'll just cause more problems. But it's gonna be like a complete. I'm pretty much gonna have to start from nothing. What I'm going to do is because in the Morse code translator, a dictionary, you can get the value of something without any brackets, I think. In fact, I probably should test that. So let's get a new file. Import random as r. So let's make a dictionary. Let's just call it E is equal to a dictionary. Let's do let's just do the value is 1, and then, or the key is 1, and then the value is hamburger. And then let's do another one. 2 is taco. Space, or let's do like shredded pulled pork. Let's do that. Pulled pork. Because that has a space in it, which is something I want to test. Okay, and then print E2, or r dot rand int 0 to length of E minus 1. Oh, I gotta save it. Let's just do it in meal generator. Make a new folder, tests. Oh, I already have tests. Let's delete that. Let's go test. File name meal gen test. Okay, so let's run it. Key error 1. It doesn't like 1. Oh, probably because 1 is a key and it's like, hold up. Let's make it an integer. It still doesn't like that 1. Key error. Int length of E minus integer 1. Why does it not like that? Alright, let's just make everything an integer, so just so it absolutely knows. It still doesn't like it. Why? What is wrong with the 0 that you do not like? Maybe because it thinks it's a variable? But it's an integer. Maybe if I... No, that won't work. Okay, so let's change this. Let's change this to A and B, just so it gets less confused. But then I won't be able to do it with a random integer. Unless I have a list of letters, and it chooses a random letter. But I'm not doing that. Why can't this just work? And okay, let's just do 0 to 1, because those are, let's just do it manually. Why does it not like that when I do that? It's a random integer from 0 to 1. Why does it not like having integers? Okay, so let's string int will it do that? No, it really doesn't like that 0. Okay, so let's do 1, let's 2 minus 2 to 3 minus 2. Hamburger. Wow. I really had to do some freaking math equations to get 1 and 0, because it doesn't like having 1s and 0s. Okay, is it always doing... Why? One, 2. Oh, now it works. See, now it looks like it likes hamburger a lot more. But let's try to add, okay, 1 to the length of e. It still works. Let's just add it in a loop while true. Then let's do it like input equals. Alright. So this actually seems to be working. So then what I have to do is just do one of these things, but instead of putting them into a list, putting them into a dictionary with a integer as their value, or as their key, and then the thing from the text file as the value. Okay, this might be kind of hard. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's put this into a string. So let's just put all that. Wow, that's a big string. Alright. Plus, let's just simulate like the hello. Hamburger hello. Okay, it works. I can put it in a string. Wow. Alright, well, I guess I have to do this. So, I'm going to have something like with, and then the next dictionary. So I'd have main, Control C, and then have like side. And then have this, Control C, Control V, E, let's do side. Over here I have to do main. E is not defined. Where is E? Oh, right here. Main, side, hamburger with hamburger, hamburger with hamburger, hamburger with pulled pork, hamburger with, okay. Alright. Why is it always, okay, whatever. So, this works. But now I have to put this into this. Okay, so how long have I been streaming? I've been streaming for 45 minutes. So I think I'm going, so now I know how I'm going to do. I think I'm going to stop streaming, and then I'll make like a part 2 stream later today. Probably like after I eat breakfast at 2 o'clock. So, yeah, I'm going to end the stream now. Bye, I have 1 viewer currently. Alright, goodbye. I'm going to restore the chat. I'm going to end the stream in exactly 15 seconds. So it's 44 minutes. It's a long time. Just to stare at the timer. Okay, bye.